Went to my first gun show in Richmond, Virginia.
They break it, so you put it in the backpack.
Oh, really? They do come in a backpack, yeah. So all of our stuff comes with a sling, with 2 magazines, and the bag. This one comes with a bag that looks like this.
Yeah, please take one.
Okay. Yep.
That's what we're looking for right there.
They are.
I don't get it wrong. You gotta add. I think it's the size of them.
Yeah, he said under the bar. Yeah. Yeah, I think. Oh, he bought a can. Hey, them hot joints was smart. Oh.
Yeah, me, I'm gonna go spend that $4, bro.
Right there. You about to go to the same spot. I'm about to go there. Come on.
This what you said. You go to the street already, Joe. It's our phone. Oh my gosh.
10 out of 10, can't wait to go again.